Cops in viral TikTok video facing dismissal or remedial training. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is the Links 007 TV News Report. The Police Commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson, has warned that members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, who have been participated in a social media TikTok videos currently being circulated are being investigated by the disciplinary arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Addressing an online press conference on Wednesday, Anderson said that the actions of the police officers contravene the expected conduct of members of the JCF. The police commissioner further added that the situation is even more alarming with the officers displaying firearms while also having background music that doesn't fit the standard of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Several videos have been circulated on social media with police officers vibing to dancehall song while displaying firearms that include both rifles and a handgun. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.